Hello and welcome to the Toros Crypto Learn to Trade series. My name is Luke and I am here to guide you through this short series of videos that will tell you everything you need to know to get started with your trading journey, okay? So this is aimed at beginner traders or those of you who are aspiring to become traders. So a little bit about me quickly. I am a professional trader. I've been doing this for about 5 years profitably now, and it's just what I do, okay? So I spend my time looking at charts, understanding where price is likely to go, learning how to gain an edge on the market, looking at where support and resistance may be, and just trading, okay? So it does not matter which way the charts are going, you can trade in both ways and you can make money and earn a living from doing this. Now, I truly believe that this is something that anyone can do if they put in the hard work. But it's a lot like learning a language, okay? So first of all, you wouldn't start writing a book in a new language before you knew the basics, okay? So if you wanted to learn English, you're not going to go out and be able to read or write a Shakespeare novel. You're going to have to know your hellos, your goodbyes, your yes, your no, your mum, your dad, and all of those kind of things. Your please, your thank yous, okay? And until you know those things, it's impossible for you to be able to string sentences together, or to be able to, of course, write a book, read a book, and do all of those other things that language enables you to do. So trading is much the same, okay? So for me, it comes in 3 core parts, okay? Number 1 is your technical analysis. Now, this is just the basics, okay? So to trade, you need to be looking at charts and you need to do technical analysis in order to understand where price has been and where price is likely to go. So you're looking at history in order to predict the future, okay? Number 2, you are looking at your risk management, okay? So you're never going to make money with trading unless you have this second aspect of trading down as well. So risk management is basically, how do I make money from this without losing money first? Okay, so trading is, if you're just entering a position, you're basically gambling, okay? And this is a misconception that a lot of people have with trading, is that as a beginner, if you do not understand your risk management and you do not understand technical analysis, then you are essentially gambling, and you need to be able to control both of these aspects in order to make money and in order to make informed decisions that give you a probability and an edge on the market, okay? And the third thing, and this probably as a new trader is going to be the most difficult thing to master, is your psychology, okay? Now, this is something that with technical analysis, with risk management, it can very easily be taught, okay? It's a set of rules that you can apply. Psychology is all in your mind, okay? And you're going to have to learn yourself how to control your own emotions, because a market is used to play on people's emotions in order to make them make the wrong decisions. So the people that have a lot of money and can control their emotions are really just playing with the people who are unable to control their emotions and do not have the money, basically to funnel the money from the bottom to the top, okay? So you need to have these 3 aspects there in order to start to trade. So number 1, technical analysis. 2, your risk management, and 3, your psychology. So within this series of videos, we're going to be looking at those 3 main aspects. And yeah, by the end of it, hopefully you will have a basic understanding of how to trade and you'll be ready to take on the charts and to start trading these wonderful assets that we have out there, okay? So thank you for watching this, and do take a look through the rest of the technical analysis videos, and I hope you enjoy them. Thanks a lot. Bye.